you ever wondered what makes a garment look truly professional? The kind that turns heads and feet like it was made just for you. It's not just the fabric, it's the details. From the neckline to the hem, every stitch tells a story. Welcome to where we help you give your creativity expressions. And this is a mini document from our premium sewing classes, where you're also going to be learning all the steps step by step. In this project, we are working on a basic bodice, the foundation of so many beautiful garments. The drafting process for the bodice can be found in our pattern essential playlist, where we guide you step by step through creating your own patterns before sewing. You don't want to miss that. Go right now to the playlist and check out to draft your basic block, the basic bodice, and the basic sleeve. There it's also concealed doing your hem in the pattern drafting. So here we are just going to be starting with a stitch, making sure every dart lies flat and every seam is smooth. Next, we also explore the neckline facing, just like you are seeing over there. That is the dart that is being pinned. You learn how to do your dart professionally, not just the way you've been doing your dart, that it's lay flat, that you don't just see that. So you learn how to do your dart, that it contour right on your body and it is perfect for what you just need for your project. Here is also where top stitching comes in, securing your facing while adding a professional touch that keeps the neckline crisp. You're also going to be learning the ironing method. Do you know that iron is a technique? You don't just iron, you iron every seam that you stitch. You iron whenever you are sewing, just like we are doing here. So right now, look at this. You're also going to be one of the most exciting parts. It's we also bringing in our hem gum, a beginner-friendly hack that ensures hem stay neat, crisp, and durable, combined with careful pressing and ironing. It transforms raw edges into clean, confident lines. Yes, you don't want to miss that. You want to know how to do your top stitching perfectly, exactly. In this series of classes, these are all you're going to be learning in these classes. Right now, why not use the contact details on this video, DOSEfashions1@gmail.com, or use our WhatsApp contacts on our profile right now as you message us or drop a comment in the comment section. Amazing. Guess what? It is very affordable. It is not a class that is going to load you so much. So it is affordable and it is flexible. It is simple, detailed, and timely. And you're also going to be learning how to do all this, how to couple your professional dress all together. Each of these steps, from top stitching to zipper installation, builds not just a garment, but a skill and confidence as a sewist. And remember, this is only a glimpse of what we are learning in our premium sewing classes, where creativity meets precision. Imagine the pride of wearing a design made with your own hands, neat, polished, and truly yours. Beautiful. Just look at that. Is this not looking amazing? Now, if you are ready with me to take your sewing journey further, sign up for our premium classes today by sending us a message at DOSEfashions1@gmail.com. If you're a beginner and you don't have a prior knowledge to sewing, don't worry, we got you covered. You just message us and we're also going to be guiding you. If you don't even know how to use a sewing machine, let us know. We got you covered. Alright, so let's just go right now. Your next masterpiece starts with a single stitch. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing do-it-yourself video content on this channel. Now send us message for this class. It is flexible. Learn at a pace with DOSEfashions Academy. I cannot wait to have you in class as to make this complete basic bodice project. It is our course 101 DOSEfashions Academy. See you. I remain Mary Adedoyin, your fashion tutor. See you all in classes. Bye.